Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Organised Crafter. Today I am unboxing the September's Kitaholic Kit. Sorry about that rattle. It's very exciting. It's a very pretty kit. I'm very excited for it. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll start with the mixed media because it's always on top and it's easy to get at. So this month we have the Vicky Bouton Gold Glaze texture paste. Yep, sealed. Just nice and gold. Haven't used it before, so be interesting. And we have 3 stencils. So some words, which I really like, some honeycomb, and some flowers, which is also really cute. So I'm excited to try them out. And we also have a Craft stamp with, I suppose, it's paint splatter texture it's called. It's always easier to explain what it is if you look at the name of it. So anyway, that's the mixed media kit. And now I'll go onto the embellishment because it's the next one that's on top. And we have some very pretty things. This month the kit is based around the Indigo and Ivy collection from Pink Paislee, which I'm really excited about because I love this kit and well, I love this collection, I should say. And I've actually ordered it for myself because Steph wasn't planning it for a kit, and then she changed her mind. So still super excited about that because I get to play with it, obviously. So we have some rub-ons to start with. I feel like I'm going to sneeze. We have some gold alphas, chipboard alphas, and they're from the Sailor V collection. So they're pretty old, but can gold alphas really ever go out of fashion? Some, you know, really good ones in there, so I'm excited to use them. We have some of these gold doilies. Now there's 10 in that pack, and they're from Craft. We have a stamp from Amy Tangerine, and I think this is from her new collection, although I'm not 100% sure. But they're cute. Little paw print's kind of cute. I like these hearts. And probably my favourite thing of the kit. I was pretty upset that I didn't get these last month, so I'm really happy that we've got them this month. And it's from the just the little lovely Pink Fresh collection, and they're acetate. So they're very, very beautiful. Can't wait to use them. Can never go wrong with florals when your name is Corinne. So that's the embellishment kit. And now on to the, I'll do the pocket page first. So I like to do the main with the extra papers. With the paper add-on. So this is the pocket page kit. And we have some Kaiser Collectibles Morning Dew. So they're just some die cuts. They will work nice with this collection, the same colours. Some enamel hearts. Obviously the cards. Aren't these pages just beautiful? I love that. Oh, love them all. And some gold spotty ones. Then we have Pink Fresh Office Hours alphas. They're great for Project Life. Just the little lovely puffy stickers. So they're very cute too. They must have made a lot of puffy stickers to go with this collection. We have this September word in grey from Corbett Creations. Our lovely exclusive ephemera. They're very pretty. Love the flowers once again. And cut apart sheet is 01 from Indigo and Ivy. I just I really love these colours, the light pinks and everything. They're just really pretty together. Oh, and that's cute too. So that is the pocket page kit. Put that out of the way. And then I will get out the main kit. I hope I am on screen for you to see. So I'll leave those papers to the end. I'll get on with this kit. So we've got Everyday Musings Puffy Accent stickers. So they're from Pink Fresh. Very pretty. We have the Indigo and Ivy ephemera pack. So some journaling spots, some flowers, lots of things, lots of pretty things. We have Simple and Sweet enamel dots from Pink Fresh. We have this beautiful Charms Creations heart. I love them. We have half a pack, which is a great idea because there's usually too many in a full sticker book. So this is from the Kaiser Craft, what was it called? This one, Morning Dew collection. Well, I assume it is because they're the same colours and stuff. So we get half a book, which is good because we don't need 2 sheets of all of them. Some florals and birdies, some sentiments. So thick, some more sentiments and some alphas and numbers. We have some Corbett Creations chipboard flowers. They'll be good with that gold texture paste if you want to try it out. And a sheet of the exclusive ephemera as well. Put them out of the way. I'll get all the papers out. So this is what comes in the kit, and then this is the paper add-on. And I'll just grab this out for you so that you can see both sides of them. So this one is called 05. And I love both sides. They're very, very pretty. This one is called 02. I love this paper. I have a dress that is exactly the same colour and pattern. Oh, that's so pretty too. So that one's 02. This one is 04. Oh, another beautiful one, baby beautiful, fussy cut out. This one is 03, and they have the beautiful watercolour butterflies. Beautiful. This one is fun. It's number 12. I love that paper. This one's kind of cool too. The green one's my favourite, but we have 08, which is beautiful pink watercolour. And this one, oh, I don't know which one my favourite is. I really do love all of these ones. This one's 09, but I definitely love that page more than this one. I really like this blue colour. So that's everything. Yes. So thanks for watching, guys. I can't wait to make some stuff with this kit and see what you guys make. Thanks for watching. Bye.